Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my easy oil-free stir-fried rice. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 2 cups of cooked brown rice and 2 pounds of your favorite frozen vegetables. It just so happens that our favorite is using 1 bag of frozen green beans and then a bag of frozen peas and carrots. And you're also going to need a large pot to cook this over the stove with. I like using our Dutch oven. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the stove. We're going to get the vegetables cooking for around 5 to 8 minutes with the lid closed so they moisten or they soften up well. And then once those have cooked through a little bit, then we're going to add in our rice and our soy sauce, which we have a tablespoon of. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then we'll get going. This one's really simple. It's easy to throw together, and it's a great whole food, plant-based meal that we really enjoy. We'll have maybe some tofu with it, or have it with some noodles. But I'm gonna take you guys over to the stove, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, now we're over at the stove. I've got my Dutch oven here, and I have the oven on. We're gonna cook this at a medium to high heat for the first 5 to 8 minutes. Now I just add in the frozen vegetable. And all we need to do is close it up, and the moisture in there will prevent it from burning at least for the first 5 to 8 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead in and add our soy sauce and rice. So we'll be back when the vegetables soften up a bit. All right, our vegetables have been cooking for around 6 minutes. You can tell they've gotten much softer, softened up nicely, and no burning still because there's still a good amount of liquid in there. But now we're going to go ahead, add in our rice. And then we're going to add in our soy sauce and give it a good stir. And I like to cook it for another 5 minutes, and I'm going to leave it open this time to get rid of any of that excess moisture that was in those vegetables. But we're going to cook that for another 5 minutes, leave it opened, and we'll be back when that is ready. All right, our 5 minutes is up. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and get a dish of this bowled up. I'm going to get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit, and I will see you guys in just a second. All right, guys, I am back. I've got the kitchen tidied up. It smells absolutely fantastic. I am here with my easy oil-free stir-fried rice. I hope you guys saw how easy it is. It's something, again, most of the meals we make are just nice and quick. Me and Erica are always on the go. Excuse me, me and Dr. Miller are always on the go. We're always doing something. So it's nice to be able to have something that we know we can just throw together and eat in a few minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm using my tablespoon here as a spoon. Absolutely fantastic. It's simple, it's delicious, it will go great with really anything. We like making it with a lot of Asian dishes. My orange glazed tofu, crispy tofu, really everything goes good with it. It's a simple recipe like I said, and one I hope you guys go ahead and give a try too. And if you do, go ahead and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. And if you're on YouTube or Facebook, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. And as always, this recipe and all my others can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel, hoping that I will see you very, very soon.